Buenos Aires, amigos, amigas, from Ajijic, Jalisco, Mexico. And I'm on the Carretera Highway, and I'm about 2 blocks from the Central Plaza. Now, I'll give you a good locator where I'm at. I'm on the highway near the corner of Juarez, and see the steep the bell tower there, the church in the center of the frame. Now that's a good indicator. I'm northwest of the plaza, 2 blocks on the Carretera Highway. Okay, I'll let you know, going down here and up through this way, you're about 5.5. I'm about 5.5 miles from the city of Chapala. I'm gonna guess about 2 to 2.5 miles from San Antonio. Riberas follows. A lot of Riberas del Pilar, rather. Riberas del Pilar, and then the city of Chapala. So, here on the highway. Now, what brought me here is I saw these bikes here, and I thought there would be some used bikes for sale. But these are all bikes that they don't sell used bikes here. These are all bikes, they only sell new bikes. And here's some of the new bikes you can buy here, brand new. And these aren't the electric bikes. These bikes work really, really well. I prefer an electric bike, but I'm not going to be using it for that long. I'll have to be selling it soon when I go up to the States, because I'm either going to be bringing my car or I'll be buying a car down here, a used car down here. These are new bikes here. Who knows? Maybe I'll get a new bike. I don't know. Maybe I won't even get a bike. I don't know. I could maybe do without one. But these bikes here look pretty good. And these are new bikes, even for kids. And they're new bikes, beautiful bikes. I prefer these big seats for a guy like me. And these are all bikes getting serviced here. So you get your bikes serviced here as well. And right here, let's see if there's a sign or a banner. I don't see one, but on the highway here, near the corner of Carretera Highway, on the highway here, and Juarez. So you'll find it in right across the street from Dr. George, right there. So I might buy a bike. Like I said, I was thinking about buying one of those electronic bikes, and if I'm not going to be using it for that long, because when I go up, I would have to resell the bike. You know, I would lose a ton of money reselling it in a hurry, and on the resale value, and it's really not that worth it that much to me for the time left that I'm going to be here. And however, they are good bikes, electric bikes too. These are non-electric here. Okay, but as I mentioned, you know, I might bring my car down or keep my car up there and buy a car when I get down here. Anyway, from the Carretera Highway, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they got motorcycles down here too. You know, you want a motorcycle, you want a golf cart, you want a 3-wheel electric bike, you want one of these new bikes here, you know. At this shop, look at this. These are nice. These are kind of cool. Pretty colorful right there, but nice bikes, brand new. And so this is one of the places you can come to get bicycles. and get your bicycles serviced as well. Okay, adios from Ajijic, Jalisco, Mexico.